Okay, this is Mrs. Wachowskis, and this video is on how to make this little peppermint. Let me get this going on. Here we go. There we go. Okay, it's called a felted wool ornament, and you would come over here and you'd get these little pieces. Okay, so you grab this. I mean, you can see what this looks like, but you grab these little pieces, and I put two of these together, and we're going to sew them together. Maybe easier to do one if you'd prefer, because it'll be hard. It's hard to get it through, but well, you'll see why I do too. So then I mark it. I put a penny in the middle, and I'm just going to mark it 8 ways. And that kind of guides me where my needle and thread needs to go. I do need to use a thimble, and I did not bring mine with me for this little video here, so you will have to just kind of watch. So you're going to have to thread the needle. This is called embroidery floss, and it's called a skein of floss, S-K-E-I-N. And in embroidery floss, there are 6 pieces of thread in a skein, and I leave all 6 threads there so that it's nice and thick. Okay, make sure it's long enough. Go longer than shorter, because if you run out in the middle, you actually have to just start over. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to pop this through. I want this part to face out so that I can use it as a guide, and you should be able to, these will fade over time if you end up being able to see a little bit of it. Okay. It would be ideal if it wasn't quite so noticeable, but you can see as I push it through, it kind of covers it up. So I should have had a thimble on, and a thimble is a hard little plastic thumb cover, and it's something like you see a grandma wear in like a cartoon, but the reality is there's a purpose for it. Let me see. Okay, because my thimble, if I had a thimble right here, I'd be able to push my needle through because it's hard.